Hey beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that make you look and feel your absolute best. If you've ever struggled with lip color that fades too quickly or leaves your lips feeling dry, I think you're going to want to stick around for this one. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip or honest review. Today, we're looking at the Gloss Bomb Color Drip Lip Cream in the shade Roux Fenty Glow from Fenty Beauty. This is a 0.3 aughts lipstick designed to deliver a creamy, highly pigmented color with a smooth, moisturizing finish and long-lasting shine. It promises to combine vibrant color with a glossy, comfortable feel, a perfect balance for everyday wear or a bold pop for a night out. From the moment I applied it, the texture really impressed me. It glides onto the lips effortlessly without tugging, and the pigmentation is spot on. Fenty Glow is that universally flattering shade, a warm, peachy nude that works beautifully with a variety of skin tones. I noticed immediately that it wasn't just about color. My lips felt hydrated and soft, which is such a huge plus for me because I'm always wary of lip products that dry out over time. In real-world testing, I wore it through a full day of meetings, coffee, and snacks, and I was pleasantly surprised at how long the color and shine lasted. It does need a touch-up after meals, but overall, the longevity is solid for a gloss cream hybrid. One thing I did notice is that it has a slight sticky texture, so if you're sensitive to that, it's worth keeping in mind. The pros are clear: rich pigmentation, smooth application, long-lasting shine, and hydrating formula. On the flip side, it can feel a bit sticky if you layer it heavily, and while the shine is beautiful, it may not fully replace a traditional long-wear lipstick if you're after total matte staying power. For the price, Fenty Beauty always aims at the mid to premium range, and here, I think it's justified. You're getting a high-quality formula that doubles as a lip treatment in terms of hydration, while giving you that signature Fenty glow. If you're looking for a similar finish on a tighter budget, there are other lip creams with hydration benefits, but this shade and the blend of comfort and pigment are quite unique. The packaging feels sturdy and luxe, which I appreciate when it comes to products I reach for daily. The applicator is well designed for precise application, allowing for clean edges without a lip brush, which is a time saver. Overall, the product holds up well over time with consistent color payoff. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't had direct contact with Fenty's customer service, but the brand generally has a solid reputation for handling inquiries and resolving issues promptly, which is reassuring. In the end, the Gloss Bomb Color Drip Lip Cream in Fenty Glow delivers exactly what it promises: a vibrant, creamy color with a comfortable, glossy finish. It's perfect for anyone seeking a universally flattering shade that hydrates while offering long-lasting shine. If you love that effortless, polished look with minimal fuss, this one's definitely worth trying. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I love hearing your experiences, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.